This old guy DIY video has to do with making a little detention vessel in the backyard. So a friend has a situation where the downspout comes out. You can see you have dirt and then there's a little walkway. So there was no good way to get rid of the water when we have gully washers other than to let it just kind of pool and run around in this area. If we were to try to bury a piece of black pipe over there, I would have had to go under the pavers and do a lot of unnecessary work. So what I decided to do is dig a hole here, and this will serve just as a holding vessel, and then as the water seeps off into the soil, everything will work out great. But it's set up now so the downspout will dump right in there. And what I did is I took a tub like people put beer or soda in the summertime, and I just took the grinder, I cut the bottom out of it, and then on the top I made a little tic-tac-toe board out of 1/4-inch stainless that a friend got for me at the right price, and I just zip tied that together in the middle, and then I took a piece of hardware cloth and I put that over the entire thing. And the reason for the hardware cloth is that she'll end up putting stones like this over the top of it, and this thing provides enough structure with the stainless. If somebody were to happen to step on it, they won't fall through and break a leg. And with the hardware cloth, the stones will be able to lay right on top and you won't even know that this is here. But when we do get big rains, the water will be contained. It'll seep off into the earth at its own pace, and in the meantime we'll have one less thing to worry about here in the backyard. And I weigh about 250, and to seat this thing I just step on both sides. I can then wiggle back and forth. You can see that it can take the load, and the reason for the hardware cloth to go out across those corners is so there will be a larger surface area that's accepting the load of the stone, and then there shouldn't be any chance that this thing falls in the future. Hope this idea helped you. Have a great day.